So there I was thinking, how am I going to have a brew without a cup? And my solution to that was, yeah, so I've had the hot dogs. I left the water in there because, having a brew without any water is, Got the old tea bag. Got no milk, so yeah, another reason why I left the water in there to make up for the the milkiness of the tea. Looks lovely. So put your tea bag in there. Boiled kettle. Some hot water in there. There we go. Can't see about any sugar. Oh, I'm going to get hold of it. That should be enough, right? Gonna let that cool down a little bit, and I'll be right back with you. See you shortly. So it's finally cooled down a bit. So now for the all-important taste test. It's actually not half bad. Might send the idea over to Twinings or PG Tips. Hot dog flavoured tea bags. Anyway, I'm going to go and enjoy that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I would recommend that, actually. That is quite good. Like, all the saltiness and that from the hot dog water is gone. Probably fused in with the tea, so... yeah. Anyway, on to the next one.